Hello, everyone. Hi, it's Anne from another vlog. So for today's video, I'll be sharing with you the three top website that can give you a lot of different ideas on how you can teach your child to draw something incredible. So before we start, please like and subscribe to my channel for more updates. So let's start. So, hi, we are here in the website of ABCYA. This website is for free, and all you have to do is to log in if you don't have an account to here. And also, it will make your child engage with drawing arts, coloring, and all. So we have here lots of buttons. We can click here on the button if your child make a mistake or draw something that is not appropriate. And then you can also save it and click new for new to erase it all. Yes. And then you can, click the paintbrush like this. You can adjust the sizes of the paintbrush. You can click here to adjust or pick another color. Also, you can change the brush to watercolor brush. At the same time, you can also adjust the size of it. Also, you can click to change the color of it. And then also you can use the paint roller. It doesn't have any adjustment, just, it's just as big as this. Okay, and next one is spray paint. You can click the design that you want. It can be a star, can be a heart, can be a snowflake. So this one, you can use this spray paint. Okay, and click another color to use it. Just click what design you want. And you can also write something, the name of your child. To be familiar with her name, you can click any font that you like. Also, let's use name stuff, balloons, the hands, the coins, bubbles, stones, or jelly. Is that jelly bean? What's this? It's also it has sounds. Okay, it's like a pattern. No, your child will be happy if they saw that. Next one is the magic color. We can also erase that again. We can use paint bucket. Can color it with any color you want to. Also, we can use a coloring book. We can choose whatever drawing we want to, and then our child will color that. Also, we can use stickers. Yes, you can use many stickers here based on what you like. Yeah, those are the stickers. Okay, and then the shape. Okay, let's try one sticker. And then resize it. Okay. And also, we can use paint balloons. You can change the color too. Okay, so that's it for ABCYA. Those are the tools that we can use to draw. Next one, the application that we have is autodraw.com. I'll be sharing the link down below the comment section. And here we can see an autodraw how to. I'm gonna click how to. If it doesn't know how to do it, let's click auto draw. It's if you draw something, then something will pop up at the upper part. Suggestions for your drawing. So you can click it and then it will be your drawing. As simple as that. Also, you have solo drawing. You can draw your own at your own pace. Also, you can change the color with color picker, the type tool. You can type anything you want, resize it. You can have shapes. You can have fill to color it, the pictures or the drawing, I mean. And also, you can select and resize it, rotate it, move it. You can also click the three lines on the upper left part, which is the downloadable to download a PNG or to share your work. That's it. You can use this in your phone, in the tablet, and also in laptops or personal computers. Let's start. So let's click auto draw again, and then this will be the blank space that we can draw. So we can draw something here, for example, a zigzag, and then something will pop up. Just click the auto draw here. Okay, then for example, we're gonna draw this one or this one or this one, this one, this one. Can also click another thing. Let's have another start over. I can have this one, smiley, like monkeys. Let's have, oh, this one. So we can change the color by clicking the fill and then click the black line. Can click it to the drawing, the line. And also you can resize it by the select tool, small to large. And then you can also fill again, color the inner part of the drawing just like this. And the other one is like this. Okay, so this will be a very helpful for your young learners or young children so that they can draw something by themselves, and also it will help them to be confident in drawing. It will teach them a lot of ideas, and then at first auto draw will help them to draw, but I think your child will learn many things about this, so they will learn how to draw. And also the shapes, you can click circle and you can select circle and move it. You can also resize it. Okay, and then after that you can click zoom, you can undo, you can also draw by your own. You can draw your own drawing. Okay, that's it. And click this to save your work. Yeah, download, share, and the shortcuts. This is made by specialists. They are very good at drawing, and they want to share their knowledge to help other people, other children, to draw easily. And this is accessible to all. This is for free. Next one is this Sketch.io, Sketchpad 5.1. Sketchpad 5.1. So this one is very cute because I'd like the tools. I'd like to share the tools with you guys. And we can have this, the plus button. It's for new, blank grid, graph, lined, loose leaf, notebook, blueprint, and transparent. Can choose whatever you like and also the sizes. Yes. And you can export it. You can also choose the layers, the background. You can also uh, put another layer, or you can erase it, duplicate it. Yeah. And the next one, we can have this, the crayon. You You can change it to tile brush, pencil, pen. For example, this one is the tile brush. The pencil is this. The pen is like this. The paintbrush is like this. The line is like this. Path is like this. Next one is the arrow. Next one is sketchy. Next one is an eraser. Yeah, I can erase it. Okay, and the other one is a mirror brush. Okay, your child will love this. Look, it's cute. Next one is calligraphy. You can write your name. You can also click the steamer. Next one is the crayon. Next one is the stamp. Next one is the spray paint. Next one is the fur. And the other one is the web. Oh, wow. So cute. Next one is the, what's that? Spirograph. Wow, it's like wow, look at that. It's like a border. Wow, it's like circle. It's cute. Okay, so let's have another page where I can show you how to teach your child to draw. So this is a blank. All you have to do is to click this to have another, shape. You can choose shape here. Square, rectangle, polygon, any shape you want to. The text, for example, you want to say child. Okay, wait for a moment. I'm gonna choose black. Yeah, child. You can also choose, think, normal. Okay, you can adjust the height, line height, letter spacing, word spacing. Next one is, for example, you have the drawing. You can click down, arrow down. You can click, for example, what is good example? Okay, a pig. Okay, a pig. The opacity, you can click it from here to, for example, like 10 or 29. Art, for example, the funny pig face. There's a lot of drawing here. Okay, that your son or daughters can imitate. Again, the opacity, you can change it. Then change the pen. They can trace it like a pro. Oh, look, you already have a pig. Okay. Right? And then you're gonna spell. Okay, what's the spelling of pig? And then, yeah. That's it, guys, for today's video. I hope you like it. I hope that you like the free website, and accessible website, incredible website. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos and updates. See you again next time. Bye.